Hi, welcome to Late Night Stocks. Today I'm gonna talk about Occidental Petroleum Corporation as well as oil prices. As you see on Friday everything was in red but the oil price. The crude oil prices was $93 and was up more than 5%. Let's start with the company's basics. The company had $65 billion market cap on Friday, and it has a forward dividend yield ratio of 0.74%. The stock price made 2x between December and February, but after that it was fluctuating. The stock price went down to 55 and 75 a couple of times. Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, buys the shares of Occidental continuously, and just 1 week ago he bought almost 6 million Occidental shares. The typical Warren Buffett's buy zone is between $55 and $60. So the question is why he is buying. I think one of the reasons is its payout ratio. The ratio is 2.75%, which means the company pays out 2.75% of its earnings as a dividend. When we have a look at its competitor, the payout ratio is about 38%. As we assume that the company can also pay out up to 40%, in this case the company can increase its dividends up to 15 times. And this is very attractive for the Warren Buffett because he wants to generate a cash flow from this oil company. And the stock also undervalued in this case. As you see from the historical oil prices, when the price went up, keep that trend for a long time. From 2002 to 2008, we saw a massive rally. After that, from 2009 to 2014, we saw another rally. So the oil prices are going up again, and we may see another 5-year bullish trend. On the other hand, the US tries to keep prices lower, but it seems it doesn't work. Biden says he is disappointed in Saudis but doesn't regret trip. When we have a look at the news, OPEC Plus Wednesday announced plans to slash output by 2 million barrels. The actual supply cut is expected to be smaller because several OPEC Plus nations were producing below their quotas. On the other hand, the US strategic oil reserves reach historical low as Biden taps further. The US makes the unwise decision to continue tapping into its oil reserves in hopes of decreasing oil prices further. I think this paragraph is important. According to statistics released by the US Department of Energy, the US emergency oil reserves this week included just 416.4 million barrels, which is the lowest amount since 1984. The US strategic oil reserves will be another catalyst when they start to refill the reserves again. When we evaluate all these news, the oil price will very likely go up in upcoming months. The OPEC Plus doesn't let the oil price drop below $80. When everything is over, I mean the war in Ukraine and lockdowns in China, the demand will increase. In that case, the oil producers may not catch the demand. In this case, we may see a rally like 2007 to 8. Of course, it is very hard to predict the timing. That's why I follow Warren Buffett and buy more Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock. Of course, this is my personal decision, and please do your own research before investing. I hope I could be able to point out some important numbers about Occidental Petroleum Corporation. Thanks for watching till the end and hope to see you in another video.